Hi guys, welcome to the SavvyMoneyShow. Me, your host Sean. We're going to start with penny stocks that are growth companies and also pay a dividend, and then we're going to move on to CleanSpark, what they spent some of the share dilution money on, and see how we go from there. Now, penny stocks can be anything that's under $6, or it could be anything under a certain market cap. And it's the ones under the market cap we're talking about first of all. And we start with Masabi Trust, ticker symbol MSB. Gives a 4.49% dividend. Earnings are coming up, and we can take a quick look at it. It's financials, and we will see that its assets, its current assets, outweigh the total liabilities. As a matter of fact, the cash on hand outweigh the total liabilities. So then we have Capital Southwest, and it's a profitable company because it has a PE ratio of 26.7, gives a 7.5 dividend, and again you see the market cap is almost half of the enterprise value, forward PE of 12, price to book of 1.4, and we look at the financials, which are always important, and we see that the total assets outweigh the total liability by almost 2 to 1. Now, Gladstone Investment Corporation, and this one is a 6.71% dividend. Earnings are in May, and you will see its enterprise value is 1.5 times market cap. PEG ratio is 2.6. The forward PE is 16. Price to book is 1.13. Price to sales is 8, which is a little high for price to sales, but with all the other things being fairly low, you can forgive that, I hope. But you will see that the total assets outweigh total liabilities by 2.5 to 1, which is quite a sweet spot. Now, don't forget to hit that lovely like button, and don't forget the sexy subscribe button, a lot sexier than me, just ask the wife. And if you want to be a hero, hit the bell notification. You'll be notified when a new video gets uploaded. And why not check out the links in the description below. If you're looking for a free trading platform, you get a free share worth up to $200, depending on the platform you use. If you deposit a small amount, why wouldn't you? Yeah. I'll see you in the next video. CleanSpark, this is the 8K they've recently announced, so they are looking to spend some of the money from the share issue on a large amount of mining equipment. Now, they're looking for 750 mining servers, cost of $10.2 million. Pardon me. Now, I think this is actually a very good thing to do, but we'll see how it pans out. Now, a couple of companies that I'm looking at: Village Farms International. The chart looks great, and if you look at the liabilities, total liabilities is half of total assets, and you look how the market cap is below the enterprise value, and it is basically integrated farming, and it's also in the MJ space, and I think it's worth looking at. Another company is ticker symbol IDN, IntelliCheck. Now, I think this is one that will do well. It does taxes, uses software to do taxes. It has been beaten down, and I think if you look at total liabilities, it's 2 million, and cash on hand is 13 million. Now, sorry about that. Now, I'm looking at Silver Sun Technologies, which has a price to sales of 1, enterprise value revenue of 0.94. Is a solar company. I think it's one that can do well, especially with Biden's infrastructure. Now, it's profitable because it has a PE ratio. It's only just become profitable. And MMWW. Now, these are riskier ones. Now, I suggest you do your own due diligence on it, but it has a market cap of 146k, an enterprise value of 10.6 million, which isn't too bad. Yeah. And then we're going to have a look at Gentech, how it announces settlement of 1 million plus judgment for 50,000 payment, removing a third of its current liabilities from balance sheet. Now, so we can expect that to move. Now, there's been talk about bankruptcies, and it's got Chapter 11 and Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Chapter 7 is when you're in financial trouble. Chapter 11 bankruptcy is when you're restructuring your company and you don't want the company to be taken over. Now, I spoke before about Snowflake pre-IPO. I thought it was too high, the valuation. I got slated because it went to 426. Now I think around 200, 250 is a good price to be in. So stock with Buffett own. Another one I've been talking about is Big C. It's a competitor to Shopify, and I think it's one worth looking into. Now, another one is AEP. Has a dividend 3.46%. They usually raise the dividend by 6%, and that should come out anytime soon. And we have Waco Group. Now it's a 4.44% dividend, and I think with price to sales of 1.14 and price to book of 1.19, and then price value to revenue of 1.02. Now, I would like to know your comments in the box below, and please hit the like button. It does help with the YouTube algorithm, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next video.